It's an early morning. It's 7:51.
And Granny caught the first 2 fish.
Granny got the first 2 fish. We already got 3 in the boat. Bring the boat with fish. That's the plan.
Jim, hold it up.
Get it, Granny. Get it.
You got it, Mom. You got it. You got it, Mom.
Where is it? There it is. It's jumping. Keep the rod tip down. Rod tip down. It's okay, Jim. Okay, go. Really, Granny? Get ready. Get ready. Ready to pull in the boat? It's got Jennifer's line on it. Stay right there. Ready? Reel, 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 reel. A little bit more.
There you go.
You got him.
Okay, Granny is putting Jim to shame because she's been catching fish after fish after fish after fish. Look at that. Jim, smile. Look at Granny. Come on, Granny, you can do it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You got it, Mom. Good job, Mom.
Keep the rod tip down. Put the point to the bottom, point to the lake. You ready? Now bring him to me.
Up, 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 up. There we go, Mom. You did it. There you go. How did that feel, Mom?
Oh my,
Turn around. How did that feel?
great. I never thought I was going to do this. But
You're an expert. You're better than Jim that's been fishing all his life. You've caught so many fish. Better than Kristen, me, or Sean. You're number 1.
number 1.
Reel him up. See if we can keep this one. Yeah. Surf him in with the little guy. There he is. Get a bigger one. Reel him up. See if we don't keep reeling. Keep reeling. Stop. Swing him over to me. There you go. That's how you do it. It's a good size one. Alright, I had mapped this lake for the last 3 days that we've been here. Here's the map I made. This lake. Using Quickdraw, Garmin Quickdraw. A bit of a salmon spot. See that right there? There's a marker there where I saw a bunch of salmon. Yeah. Up right on.